So here we are in this lovely part of the evening. I do see the ray up there as the sun has gone over the top of the mountain. And Ray calls this shadow love. You see, we are in the shadow of the mountain, which means that it's starting to cool down and it feels so much more lovely, and the pictures turn out better when I'm taking pictures of things because it's not just blasting me. What's that? Yeah, yeah. So this is shadow love, and they don't get that out there in the flat spot and on the other side of the valley. They get full blast heat in the hottest part of the sun through the rest of the day. Now, come winter, it kind of stinks, doesn't it? The shadow love. I would imagine it stays a bit chillier in this part in winter, but certainly a lovely view. And it's certainly lovely to be out this time of evening during shadow love. So I'm not getting baked by the sun.